Hey everyone, my name is Disha and I am from Neil the Art Studio Noida, and today I've got for you Blue Sky Aquarel Art Pens, where I will show you the all the colors, cleanser, and how to assemble the pen, and a quick tutorial with the design. So here I have all the pens for you. They come in these different colors, and here one pen I haven't unboxed so that I can unbox it in front of you and I can load the cartridge also with you guys. So this one is a blue color and I'm showing you the carton, the packaging, how the pen comes, and everything like that. I'm so sorry, both my hands are different because I have done aquarel pen art on one long nails and the smaller one is just simple. So here is the pen, how it looks like when it comes out of its box. And when you open it, you can see that the bristles are really nice and sturdy. You can work with them and play around with the color and designs. So they're really nice, and I really cap it very carefully so that I do not break up the bristles. And here is the cartridge part where you load the color cartridge. Now the color cartridge is right there in the box, you can see, and I'll just take it out. As I told you, this is blue color, and here you can see the cartridge, and there is a very tiny silicone cap on the cartridge which secures it. So we are going to take it off now. So this is how we just pop it out, very easy. And then I'm going to open my pen and I'm going to load the cartridge. You can see that there is a small metal ball, and I'm going to press down really nicely. Okay, so you have to press it down nicely, and that is how you load the cartridge in the pen. And then I'm going to pack it up, and you can see when I'll open it for you guys, the ink slowly seeps into the bristles. This is very beautiful to watch. See, the ink is just coming onto the bristles and it looks very nice. So I am really in love with these pen, how simple they are. You will just see when we do a quick tutorial. So my pen is ready and loaded. So here we have the blue color, which is 05. So they come in all these variety of shades, and I will leave all the description about the number of shades and all the price and everything down below. So there is this cleanser pen which I'm showing you right now, and this cleanser, I will show you that this is clear. Okay, it has nothing but isopropyl alcohol in it, and we keep cleaning the cleanser pen very nicely. And what do we load in the cleanser pen is isopropyl alcohol or spirit or rubbing alcohol, whatever you might want to call it. So this is the cartridge, and this cartridge comes empty. Okay, so we have to load in the isopropyl alcohol with help of a dropper, which again comes in the box itself. So you in the cleanser pen cartridge, in the cleanser pen box, you get the pen, you get this dropper and the cartridge, empty cartridge, and we fill in the isopropyl or the rubbing alcohol or spirit. It is available with the medical shops, so you can just take it into the dropper and drop it into the cartridge and load the cartridge as I shared with you previously with the blue one. That's it. So your cleanser pen is also ready. Okay, so now I thought to share with you a quick tutorial, and I will do it in front of you, and I will be choosing a few colors and we will be making a design. Before that, I would like to show you the design I'm having on my nails. Here quickly you can see that I did this floral design. The dark pink color I'm wearing is also Blue Sky Beach Party, and the light pink is Musk Pink, and then I did the floral art with the aquarel pens itself. So I know you've seen it on my Instagram page. If you haven't seen, please check out my Instagram page. It is Disha Nail the Art on Instagram. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel right now before watching the tutorial. Just press the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my uploads. So here I am picking up few of my favorite designs. So yes, first is cleanser, which is very much important. Then I'm picking up a blue, a green, a yellow, and a pink color, just to create a very random marble wholly appropriate kind of a design, and we will create this very very quick and simple design with all these five, you can see, including the cleanser. So I've got 4 colors and 1 cleanser. Now cleanser is very very important because that will help you to spread the color nicely and evenly. So what I've done, that is I've painted my swatch stick white and I have done a matte top coat on it. So these colors really work good on a matte surface because there are no scratches whatsoever and there is no sticky layer, so it really spreads very very nicely. And here you can see that I just put some green color, and now I'm adding blue, and then immediately I am using my cleanser pen to just spread it, and keep cleaning your cleanser pen on a tissue paper which you will be spreading down below on the table. And that is how, just go on, create whatever you want to do. If you're working on a small nail, please use small strokes, like tiny little strokes. Now this pink color I didn't like, so now I will be picking up a bright pink color. 04 is my bright pink color, so now I'm picking up that, and yes, I like that. So basically my pink and yellow will merge together, little bit of orange you can see there. So I am happy with the mix of colors, and I'm working here. I know that I'm working on a long nail, but if you're working on a short nail, then you can always use tiny strokes and just keep mixing them and create magic, guys. These pens are really awesome. If you want to order the entire set, you can actually find Blue Sky India page on Instagram and DM them. They have an amazing team. They will get back to you very very soon, and you can order them there, selected colors or the full set. So they will be very very helpful to you there. So right now I'm just going on creating my design, and I'm completely into my design. So basically why I'm creating these wave kind of structures is that I feel aesthetically, when you're doing any design, as much wavy and as much cuts there will be, it won't look very straight on your face type. So that is why I've created this kind of a wavy kind of a design, and aesthetically it looks good to the eyes, I feel. So that is why I did that, and I'm trying to get it close to the camera to show you guys how nice it is looking. And so here, a quick request to subscribe to my channel. Very very quickly you can subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram, which is Disha Nail the Art, and you can get inspirations, you can get a lot of designs, whatever I'm doing, my daily appointments, my daily classes, all the certified nail courses that I do. You would just get all the infos on my Instagram page very very regularly. So yes, more or less I am happy with my design. I'm just giving some finishing touches to my design. So that is how it looks finally, guys, after all the finishing touches. And look at these pens, man, they have created magic out here. So now I am just going to top coat this design, and we are going to finish up. If you liked my design, you can definitely like the video, share the video, subscribe it, and if you try this design, do not forget to tag me on Instagram at Disha Nail the Art, so that I can repost your post in my stories. So yes, you can order these. Once again, I will tell you, you can order these at Blue Sky India page on Instagram. You can DM them, and they can ship it to you directly. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time with another tutorial. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.